Hi, this is Patrick with Gettysburg Flag. I'm going to show you guys how to restring a flagpole today. You're going to need some halyard and some new clips. Let's go do it. First, you're going to need at least twice as much halyard as the length of your pole. Here are your flag snaps. The flag snaps go into the cover like this. The covers are used to dampen the sound of the clips hitting against your pole. You're going to need some wire to attach the old halyard to the new, and some tin snips to cut your halyard and your wire. Finally, some electrical tape. So now we're going to switch out the actual halyard on the flagpole. First thing I'm going to do is take that wire that we looked at indoors. I'm going to clip off about 6 inches or so. We're going to use that to secure the connection between the old halyard and the new halyard. It really helps in doing this if you have a second set of hands. First step is have somebody hold above where you're going to cut the old halyard. You cannot let go of the old rope or you won't be able to get it back up and through the pulley. Now what we're going to do is take our wire and our new halyard and we're going to attach the two ends. So a couple inches above on the old halyard, you're going to wrap it 2 or 3 times. You're going to butt up the new piece. And you're going to wrap the wire around that 2 or 3 times. And this is what's going to do most of the heavy lifting when you're pulling the rope up and through. Before we do that, however, you don't want this to get snagged on the pulley as you're pulling it through. So we're going to cover this whole section thinly with electrical tape. You just want to cover any jagged parts with the tape so that it goes through that pulley at the top nice and clean. You want to keep any lumpy parts as low profile as possible. So now, we're going to pull it up and through. Slowly raising the old and pulling through the new. So now our new rope is all the way through. The old halyard's here. My new halyard's on both points. So what we're going to do now is clip off, get rid of that old mess. It helps if it weren't such a windy day. It's a great idea to take and burn the ends of this with a lighter, seal it up. We're going to skip that step for right now. So what you're going to do is take the 2 ends of the new rope, you're going to cross them over by about 1 foot or so. You're going to try and tie 2 knots. We have instructions for how to tie the knot right on our webpage, gettysburgflag.com. It's also a good idea, if you have the time, to take zip ties and place them here and here for another layer of security. Next step is going to be adding your clips back onto the flag. So to do that, pinch your halyard together, push it through your clip, pull it up and through, and tighten it. And you're going to attach the top clip to the top of your flag. Figure out where the bottom clip is going to fall. Add your second clip and attach that to the flag as well. So now we're going to put our flag back onto your new halyard. We'll get our new flag back up on the pole. So now you've got your flag flying, new halyard, new clips installed, and you're good to go. Thanks for checking out this video. For more information, be sure to visit us at gettysburgflag.com.